murakaza neza nigani rugari kaze neza cyane Israelmbonyi ndio utanigei kama mahali unataka tusimame hapo nyuma yetu hapo sawa wanatoa jamaa Asanteni sana ladies and gentlemen, tuko hapa kwenye JKIA kumchukua superstar wetu leo. Karibu sana bwana Israel, Nairobi, Kenya. As you all know, tuko na Churchill show kuvuka mwaka, the biggest show we have in East and Central Africa. Na Churchill alikuwa amemuinvite among many other artists huyu star wetu hapa leo aweze kuja kuabudu nasi, kufunga mwaka na sisi tumekuja hapa kumreceive so that tuanze kuendelea na matayarisho ya kujipanga jioni, kwa sababu jioni tutakuwa na show moja kubwa sana. Christina Shusho tayari yuko, Eric Omondi ndio atakuwa kule kama host, Churchill mwenyewe. Kwa hivyo we are just here to welcome him. Na mimi sina mengi, kwa hivyo karibu sana Mbonyi. Kama labda uko na jambo la kusema, this is your chance. Karibu sana.
Asante sana kwa kunikaribisha kama hivi. Nashukuru Mungu kurudi hapa Kenya. This is home. So I'm back home and I'm happy. I also want to thank Churchill, my brother, for thinking about me and my team. So we are here, we are ready. One of the reasons why we came today, the day of the show, is because I had also concerts back home. So we are so thankful that we made it here. So I'm here with around 16 people. So it's going to be amazing, and I invite everybody to be there. Don't miss today.
Yeah.
Asante sana. Labda yes, karibu sana wanangu wa media.
Labda just to welcome you to Kenya as Kenyans, and of course my first question is, I mean, you had a very great experience last time when you came, because we saw you go to the Masai Mara and many other places, and now you're back. What kind of experience do you expect to give Kenyans, because now you know the vibe they have, and what have you prepared for them?
Now that I have already experienced their vibe. Now I'm here to share, not really the differences, but as Rwandans and Kenyan we are not that much different. But if we can, when we mix our things, so something new can come up for sure. So I'm here to share what I also have in my heart. That's all.
Mm-hmm. And perhaps many people were expecting you last time when you came to maybe see one or two Kenyans that you can work with. Is there anything cooking?
Yeah, actually there is. I cannot say it now, but there is, yeah. There is. Not today, but there is.
And maybe perhaps about today's event, because we know that there are thousands of people are coming and expecting you to give them the vibe. What are some of, I mean, most of the time when these top artists come to Kenya, sometimes they end up giving us something new, releasing something new for the year. Should we expect something new today?
Yeah, not new, but of course we are not going to do the same thing we did last time, so it's going to be new.
And now that you know, Kenyans are expecting to hear what your team is bringing.
Tuendelee master, tafadhali. Ukimalizia bro.
Okay. And since you have the biggest team, because last time you came with a few members of your team, and now you have the larger team that we normally see on the videos.
Yes.
And what exactly are we seeing from this team apart from you? Are you giving them time to play something before you come on stage or something of the sort?
I will invite you guys to come. You will see.
Muje showoni ndiposa muone hizo mbwembe. Anybody else? Kido?
Just to welcome you back in Nairobi. Maybe a message to your fans and family.
Come on, be there. We are ready to serve the Lord. And before I actually forget, I wanna thank Kenya. They really treated me very well last time, me and my team. So us coming back is a sign that we had a great experience here. We love Kenya, we love the authority, the way they have been so fair and easy for us, so we are so thankful. So I invite everyone.
Asanteni sana. Nafikiri basi
one word for the host, Churchill.
The Churchill, we love you my brother. God bless you.
Asante. Nafikiri basi tuonane jioni kwenye show. Pambio moja. pambio, lakini si watu waje pambio, waje pambio, ndio. Hapa unajua sorry, unakuja kwa nyuma. yangu kuruka mbele. Unanyama na haraka.
Churchill. Israelmbonyi Kenya. Bari kumuhereza rero indabyo bamwakira. Bose bamwishimiye cyane. Churchill yuko ari sawa kabisa. Asante sana.